It's blizzarding outside. You can't even really see it from here. Can you see it? Look how much snow is on the ground. Ah, there's piles of snow there. We're going to this side because I know that you can see it over here. Look at it on our window. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at our front porch. How deep those footprints are. You can see, look at our bushes. Oh, that snow. It's blowing around there. It's crazy, look at all that.